Have you ever set a day aside to go out and do some yard work, pressure wash your fence, your driveway, the house, only to hook up the hose to your pump and no water's flowing through? Well, today we're going to show you one of the most common issues as to why the water is being blocked. Main problem lies behind your hose connection on the outlet. You're going to need some grease, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a wrench to remove the items in question. First, we'll remove our water outlet. And behind our water outlet is going to be a check valve, which tends to get stuck every so often if the unit is ran and then put away without proper conditioning of the pump, and water deposits tend to stick. In this case, stuck right into the outlet. You'll have your check valve and your spring right here. Well, what you want to do is clean off your outlet connection. Make sure that no debris is stuck inside the check valve at all, and then check your spring as well, just to make sure that it does still have its spring. It's inserted into the check valve, or into the outlet, like so. And in this case, it gets stuck. So, at this point, you'd want to replace your outlet as well as your check valve. Now that you have your replacement outlet fitting and check valve, as you can see the difference between the two and why this check valve was getting stuck, you're going to want to put a dab of grease on the O-ring of the check valve, as well as on the O-rings of your outlet fitting. We'll take the new check valve, insert the spring into the port, make sure that you get good motion and movement. And just a small dab of Loctite on the threads. Then insert it back into place. Secure it down. Make sure it's just snug enough. Just like that. And that's one of the ways to check to see if your water flow is not coming through your manifold. In conclusion, if you hook up your hose to your pump and you've got no water flowing through, the first thing you should check is the check valve behind your outlet fitting.